Lighthouse for Life family, we are so excited to be back here at the harbor this morning and wanted to say a huge thank you to the many of you who are praying consistently for us. By the way, if you'd like to join our prayer team, just go to our website, lighthouseforlife.org, and sign up to be on our weekly prayer list. Lindsay sends out a comprehensive list of praises and prayers every Monday so that you can join us in this fight. Meanwhile, I want to point down here and tell you that in God's kindness last week, somebody volunteered to pay for the labor, volunteered his time actually, to paint the outside of our brick house. So that's going to be coming up soon. And last week, the plumbing on the brick house inside the rough-in was completed. And next week, this building will get a new roof thanks to Owens Corning, who's donating the shingles, and Tip Top Roofing, who's going to be putting it on for us. So thanks so much again for all that you're doing to pray for us, to give toward us. Lindsay's sending out a capital campaign letter this week. If you'd like to join us in financial assistance and giving, then go to our website, look at that. Lindsay's done an incredible job at giving you some great information on how to give toward this project. So thanks again. We'll keep you posted.